Hi YouTubers, I've got a Ford Focus 2024 rear door handle outer handle, but it's the same for the front. But basically I work in a paint shop and we've all been told by our Met team that this doesn't come away and we've got to mask all this off. I know it's a bit hard to see being black with a black handle for us to paint the handle, but me and my colleagues have been struggling for a while masking it up. So I found a quick way today, which I think I would share. Basically, take off the rubber gasket, like a thin flat screwdriver. Basically, you need to put a screwdriver in a groove there. So with your finger, force it apart. And it comes apart so easy after all that years of masking up. So, to refit, you've got a wedge shape there and two slots there. So, put the two slots in first, like so, into there. Press it home, a nice reassuring click, pop on the gasket. It's time to refit.